Yes, children, today we will start the new lesson, lesson 2 maps. In this chapter, we shall learn about what is a map, uses of maps, different types of maps, and how to read maps. Now, what is a map? Do you know from where the word map originated? The word originated from a Latin word mappa, which means a napkin, cloth, or sheet. From this word mappa, the word map has originated. Unlike a globe, a map can be a representation of the entire world or a certain continent, country, state, city, or even a locality. That means map can show detailed things. Map can show even a small locality or city or state which globe cannot show. Globe could show only continents and countries. Much detail was not present in the globe. For example, we can refer to the map of India if we want to have a general understanding of our country, its states and physical features. If we want to know the general things about our country, about the states, about the physical features, how many states are there, if we want to find out that, or the physical features like where there are mountains, where there are rivers, where there are plateaus, these are called physical features. For finding out all this, if we use a map of India, we can do it. Similarly, we can refer to the map of a specific state, city, or town depending on our area of study. So there not only we find map of a big country, we can find maps of states, or we can find map of city or town. Minute details can be easily studied on a map. Minute details means very small details can be easily studied on a map. छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिए होते हैं मैप में, जो कि ग्लोब में नहीं होते हैं. Maps are usually on paper or cloth and can be folded and taken anywhere. So maps are easy to carry. However, just like globes, maps also have some drawbacks. जैसे ग्लोब्स में कुछ कमियां होती हैं, मैप में भी कुछ कमियां होती है. As we all know, our earth is round in shape. It has a curved surface that cannot be properly shown on a flat surface like that of a map. Our earth is round in shape. Our earth is round in shape. But map cannot be round, map is flat in shape. So the curved surfaces cannot be properly shown on a flat surface like a map. Therefore, maps are slightly distorted views. Maps give slightly distorted views of the places on Earth. So, just like globes, maps also have some positive points and some negative points. Positive point that it can show you all the details, and another positive point that it can be folded and taken anywhere easily. Then what is the drawback? क्या कमियां हैं मैप में? That map cannot show the curved surfaces. Our earth is round, so surfaces are curved. But map cannot show the curved surfaces properly. Different types of maps. We all refer to maps to study different things. Sometimes we use maps to locate different continents, countries, and other local places around us. Sometimes we use maps to find rivers, plains, oceans, or forests. Can all these things be represented on a single map? No, it is not possible to fit all the different kinds of information on a single map, as it would lead to a lot of confusion. If you draw the states also, and if you draw the plateaus or forest present in it also together in one map, it will become difficult. So for this, we make use of different types of maps for different purposes. To locate various mountains, hills, valleys, forests, plains, plateaus, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, we use the physical map. These all are physical features. कहीं पे माउंटेन्स होते हैं, कहीं हिल्स, कहीं फॉरेस्ट्स दिखाना होता है, कहीं रिवर्स, कहीं ओशंस. So to show all these physical features, we use physical maps like this. See, this dark brown is mountain, yellow shows plateaus, green shows forests. To locate the continents, countries, states and their capitals, we use the political maps like this to show the name of the country, the area of the country or state, and where their capital lies. To show all these things, we use political maps. And to show physical features like these things, rivers, lakes, valleys, forests, mountains, we use physical map. So if I tell you to mark some rivers, then which map will you use? You have to use physical map. But if I tell you to mark any country and its capital, then you have to use political map. So these are two different kinds of maps that you will study here. How to read a map? To make map reading an easy task, it is very important for us to understand certain things given on the map. Let us have a look at each one of them. So, to see how to read a map, we will do it next day. Today we will study about what is a map and different types of map. Children, it is very important that you listen to the video and also read the pages carefully. Those pages are sent to you. Read those pages carefully. In this lesson, only two new words are given. One is originated. Originated means began. शुरू होना. Constraints means confines. So you will write down the name of the lesson, chapter number, name, date and new words. This much work you will do in your notebook and read the page, first page that we have studied today.